Okay. So good morning all. Welcome to Ganitagya Academy. Myself Professor Hitesh, and let me start today's session. Today we are continuing our topic, that is decimals, and we are on exercise 8.5. चलिए. So please keep your notebook and pen ready. Okay. So first question for today is sum. We have to add two numbers. We have to add two numbers. Okay. So in this case, we are having 0.007. We are having 8.5. We are having 30.08. Okay. So we have to add these three numbers. So what I'll do? See, 0.007. Okay. Second number is, I will write just below it. So before point we are having 8, and after point we are having 5. So I will write 0, 0. I will add 0, 0. Understood? Now next is point. Before point we are having 30, and after point we are having 0.8. So what I'll do? See, in this column I will add 0, 0, and here I will add 0. Understood? So because of this, we can say 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7, 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5, 0, 8, 0, so 8, 3. So answer will be 38.5875. Okay, 38.575, 587. Okay, so you will write 38.587. This is the correct answer. Okay, please write it down. So first question is done. Before, okay, please write it down. Okay, everyone understood the method? So now what I'll do? Write it down. Okay, I am moving ahead. So those are watching the recorded lecture, please pause it, write it down, and then move to next question. ठीक है, चलिए, है ना, आप पॉज करके इसको देख सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज बी 15 प्लस, तो 15 को आई कैन राइट 0.00, 15.00, isn't it? Next is 0.632, so 0.632. So I can add one more zero here, and I can add one more zero here. Understood? Any doubt is there? Now 13.8, so I can write 0, 0. है okay. So now 0 plus 2 plus 0, 2, 0 plus 3 plus 0, 3, 0, 6 plus 8, 14. So 4 here, 1 will go here. So 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and 1 plus 1, 2. And this is point. End out. So what is the answer? Answer is 29.432. Understood? Please write it down. Let me know when done. So this is A and B. Okay. Similarly, try C, D, E and F. है ना? Before moving ahead, आप आपकी नोटबुक में सॉल्व करिए, देन इसको प्ले करिए. ओके, तो C, D, E and F you will solve. ठीक है, चलिए. So let me clear this. Pause it, write it down in your notebook, and then move to solve first yourself C, D, E, F, and then see the lecture. ठीक है, so C is 27.076. Next is 0.55. Next is 0.004. This is 0.00. Understood? So addition will be 6 plus 4, 0, then 1, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Point. This is 7 and 2. तो 27.630. ठीक है, चलिए. नाउ डी. व्हाट इज दी डी? 25.65. This is 9.005. Then 3.7. 3.7. ठीक है. So now what you will do, this 0, 0, 0, here 0, so that all will be in a column, है ना, सब एक के नीचे एक आ सके इसलिए. तो 0 + 5 + 0, 5, 5 0 0, 5, 6 + 7, 13, 3, then 1, 1 + 5, 6, 6 + 9, 15, 15 + 3, 18, 8, then 1. So 38.355. Am I correct? So D का आंसर is 38.355. ठीक है. Now E. See, in E you are having 0.75. ठीक है. Next is 10.425. So in this column we are having 0. In this column we will add 0. ठीक है, because adding of 0 will not harm your number, है ना, will not alter your number. Now next 2, so I can write 2.000 and 02, so that 0 5 0, 5, 5 + 2, 7, 7 + 4, 11, 2 + 1 3, and 1 3. So 13.175. ठीक है. सो ई का आंसर कितना हो गया, 13.175. नाउ एफ. ठीक है, आप इसको देखिए मत, पहले आप आपके नोटबुक में खुद सॉल्व करिए एंड देन वॉच द लेक्चर. ठीक है. सो 280.69, 25.2, 38. यहाँ पर 0, यहाँ पर 0, 0 0. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ ऑल कॉलम आर इक्वल. ठीक है. नाउ 9 + 0 + 0, 9, 6 + 2, 8, 0 5 8, 13, 9 + 2, 11, 11 + 3, 14, 343.89. ठीक है. So with this we have completed question number 1. ठीक है. Please write it down. अच्छे से इसको पॉज करके अच्छे से नोटबुक में लिखिए and then we will move to next question. ठीक है. चलिए, I am moving to question number 2 now. The question number 2 is Rashid spent 35.75 for maths book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. Very easy question. क्या होगा? Amount spent by Rashid is equal to cost of maths book. कितना था? 35.75. So 35.75 plus 32.60. मैथ्स की बुक, साइंस की बुक, दोनों का एडिशन कर दिया. सो टोटल अमाउंट कितना पे किया, स्पेंड किया रशीद ने, वो निकल जाएगा. सो 35.75 and 32.60. So 5, 7 + 3, 6, 7 + 6, 13, 3, 1, 6 + 2, 8, and 3 + 3, 6. So 68.35. This is total amount spent by Rashid. ठीक है. So what you will write? Find total amount spent by Rashid. So you will say 68 rupees 68.35 is spent by, yeah, or we can say total amount spent by Rashid is कितना, 68.35 rupees, 68.35. Understood? So with this, second is also completed. Pause it, write it down, and then move to question number 3. चलिए, I am moving ahead. Okay. Okay. So next question is, Radhika Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. Very easy. So total amount given to Radhika. Total amount given to Radhika by the parents is equal to amount given by mother and amount given by father. Amount given by father plus amount given by mother. ठीक है ना? So the addition will be the answer. So amount कितना गया given by father, that is 15.80. Amount given by mother is 10.50. So 0, 0, 8 plus 5, 13. So it will be 16, 2. So total rupees, total amount Radhika having 26.30 rupees. So what we will say, total amount given to Radhika, है ना, आपको ये अच्छे से लिखना चाहिए नोटबुक में, given to Radhika by the parents is rupees 26.30. ठीक है, चलो, so write it down, है ना. So pause करिए, लिखिए and then move to, I'm moving ahead ना. हाँ, तो next question is, Nasreen bought 3 meter and 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt. ठीक है. So see, first of all, let me tell you, we have seen 3 meter plus 20 centimeter. So I will convert it into either in meter or centimeter. So 3 meter ko I can write 300 centimeter plus 20 centimeter, one method. The total is 320 centimeter, because you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. One method. Second method is I will convert centimeter to meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So you can write 3 meter plus 20 upon 100 meter. So 3 plus 0.2, 3.2 meter. क्या है ये? क्लॉथ फॉर हर शर्ट, है ना. सो नसरीन बॉट क्लॉथ फॉर शर्ट. ठीक है, इट इज क्लियर नाउ. 2 मीटर and 5 centimeter क्लॉथ फॉर हर ट्राउजर. ठीक है, हाँ, तो फॉर ट्राउजर कितना क्लॉथ किया? सो इट विल बी 2 मीटर प्लस 5 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 200 सेंटीमीटर प्लस 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो इट इज 205 सेंटीमीटर, और वी कैन राइट 2 मीटर plus 5 upon 100 meter. So that will be 2.05 meter. Understood? So find the total length of cloth bought by her. So total कितना हो गया? दोनों का एडिशन 3.2 plus 2.05 और 320 plus 205. Both will give the same answer. So I am writing in this small place. ठीक है? So the answer will be 3.20. 3.20 लिख दिया and 2.05. So 0 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So answer is 5.25. So the total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 meter, or we can say 525 centimeter. Both are correct answer. ठीक है, चलिए. So fourth is also done. Write it down. यहाँ से लिखिएगा आंसर में, the total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 मीटर और 525 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, चलिए. Pause it, write it down अच्छे से, and then we will move to next question. है ना, जो भी डाउट होगा वो आप मुझसे व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप पे वी कैन डिस्कस. चलिए, लेट मी क्लियर नाउ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ठीक है, सी व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन. नरेश वॉक्ड 2 किलोमीटर एंड 35 मीटर. ठीक है, सो आपको पता है 1000 मीटर is equal to 1 kilometer, you know. So you can say 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Understood? Now, Naresh walked 2 kilometer and 35 meter. So we can say 2 kilometer प्लस 35 बाय 1000. ठीक है, सो आप इसको सेपरेट करिएगा. 35 बाय 1000 को कैसे लिखेंगे, 35 बाय 10 फर्स्ट, सो 3.5. 35 बाय 100 इज इक्वल टू 0.35. 35 बाय 1000, सो इट विल बी 0.035. ऐसा लिखेंगे तो कभी मिस्टेक नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, I am clearing it. है ना, you know, just for understanding I told you. So with this we can say this is 2 plus 0.035. So it is 2.035 kilometer. ठीक है, I am clearing bottom part. है ना, ये तो केवल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए बताया था. You write 35 by 1000 is 0.035 directly. You know this. चलिए, नेक्स्ट इज एंड 1 किलोमीटर एंड 7 मीटर इन द इवनिंग. That is walked this much kilometer in morning and 1 kilometer plus 7 meter in the evening. So 1 kilometer plus 7 upon 1000. आपको क्या बताया था मैंने? 0.7, 0.07, 0.007. So that will be 1.007 this much kilometer. 7 upon 1000 कितना होगा? कितने जीरो हैं? 3. So we have to put 2 zeros and then point. है ना, चलिए. So 1.007. टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस ही वॉक्ड? टोटल डिस्टेंस covered by Naresh is equal to 2.035 plus 1.007. So 5 plus 7, 12, then 4, then 0, then 3. So 3.02, 3.042. So this is the total distance walked by Naresh is 3.042. ठीक है, total distance walked by Naresh is 3.042. चलिए, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. ओके, पॉज इट, राइट इट डाउन एंड देन मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, पॉज कर लीजिए. आई एम क्लियरिंग दिस. ठीक है, चलिए. सो नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. हाँ, सुनीता ट्रेवल्ड 15 किलोमीटर 268 मीटर बाय बस. ओके, ठीक है, यहां लिखते जाइए. सुमिता ट्रेवल्ड बाय बस इज इक्वल टू कितना ट्रेवल किया 15 किलोमीटर प्लस 268 मीटर. So 268 divided by 1000, this much kilometer. So total is 15 plus 0.268. So it will be 15.268 kilometer. ठीक है, no doubt in this. So 15.268 kilometer is this Sumita traveled by bus. Clear? Now 7 kilometer and 7 meter by car. By car. तो सुमिता traveled by car is equal to 7 kilometer plus 7 upon 1000 kilometer. So total will be 7 kilometer plus 7 upon 1000. तो 7 upon 1000 कितना होता था 0.007. So 7.007 kilometer traveled by Sunita by car. Next, and 500 meter on foot. Sunita traveled on foot is 500 meter. So 500 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to 0.5 kilometer. ठीक है, so we will add these three, so that will be how far is her school from her residence. So what we will do 15.268 plus 7.007 plus 0.5. So I can write 0 0 0 and 0. So 8 plus 7 5, then 1, 6 plus 1 7, 5, then 7, then 2 plus 5 7, then 15 plus 7 22. So this is 22.775, this much kilometer. 22.775 किलोमीटर. देखो कितना दूर स्कूल, आपका तो पास में रहता है. So 22.775 किलोमीटर is the school from her residence. ठीक है, pause it, write it down. ठीक है, अच्छे से. चलिए, the next question I am giving you as a homework question. ठीक है, so solve it and WhatsApp on our group. ठीक है, चलिए. Okay, so with this we will end our session today, and 7 क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप मुझे बताएंगे WhatsApp ग्रुप. ठीक है, बस आपको इतना पता होना चाहिए that 1000 ग्राम is equal to 1 kg, and we can say 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. ठीक है, so 400 ग्राम कितना हो जाएगा 400 divided by 1000, so it will be 0.4 kg. ठीक है, I have given you hint, so please write it down, complete it. ठीक है, इसको सॉल्व करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेजिए. ठीक है, चलिए. So with this we will end our session. Bye bye, take care. In next session we will continue exercise 8.6. ठीक है, चलिए, bye bye.